XFX AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT Quicksilver White Triple Fan 16GB GDDR6 review. Real results. You're deep in a gaming session. Textures start stuttering, frame rates tank, and suddenly the immersion is completely gone. I've been there, staring at a frozen screen mid-raid while my teammates carried on without me. That kind of frustration lingers and makes you question every hardware decision you made. If your GPU has been letting you down lately, keep watching. Here is the thing about GPU bottlenecks. The pressure builds slowly. Compromised settings, thermal throttling, coil whine cutting through your headset like static, and the constant mental overhead of wondering whether your card will hold up under the next demanding title. Tried overclocking your way out? Most people do. There has to be a smarter, cleaner, more permanent solution than chasing diminishing returns. Then everything changed when I found the XFX AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT Quicksilver White Triple Fan 16GB GDDR6 pcie 5.0 graphics card. Don't just pick any high-end GPU. Make sure it has 16GB of GDDR6 memory on an rdna 4 architecture, so you never waste time on VRAM bottlenecks and stuttering textures again. From the moment this card dropped into my build, the difference was immediate and physical. Games that previously required compromise loaded at ultra settings without hesitation. The triple fan Quicksilver cooler runs whisper quiet under typical loads, and the 0 RPM fan mode means complete silence during idle. Let me be honest, the 64 dedicated ray tracing accelerators and 128 AI accelerators are not just marketing language. They visibly transform lighting, shadows, and upscaling quality in supported titles. The PCIe 5.0 interface and triple DisplayPort 2.1 outputs future-proof the entire setup cleanly. A content creator I know was minutes from missing a client render deadline when FSR4 upscaling cut his processing time dramatically and delivered the file on time. Long-term, this card keeps getting better with driver updates. Months of use reveal something that benchmark charts alone cannot fully capture. The consistency is what earns loyalty. A Spanish hardware analyst from 3D Juegos put it plainly, saying this is the card they would personally buy right now to game at 4K for years, praising its rasterization power and long-term value over flashier but significantly more expensive alternatives. A verified buyer in Prague described the performance as comparable to a flagship NVIDIA card at a fraction of the investment, running stably on a 750-watt power supply with chip temperatures peaking at 72 degrees Celsius under load. A YouTube GPU reviewer focused on white builds called it one of the better-looking high-end options available, noting that the triple fan cooler keeps noise and temperatures manageable across most gaming sessions. Practically speaking, some buyers worry about the 304-watt power draw and whether their existing PSU will cope. The honest answer is that an 800-watt quality unit handles this card comfortably, and the standard dual 8-pin connectors mean no adapter headaches whatsoever. The customizable magnetic wings also let you personalize the aesthetic without modifying the card itself. What would you run first, a competitive shooter or a story-driven open world? If you have been waiting for a GPU that genuinely handles 1440p and serious 4K gaming without thermal drama or VRAM anxiety, this is the one to consider. The XFX AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT Quicksilver White Triple Fan 16GB GDDR6 PCIe 5.0 graphics card is steadily earning trust among builders and gamers who want clean performance inside a stunning white build. Results may vary depending on your system configuration. Click the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment and experience the upgrade today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.